in St. Louis are being dubbed. We're talking about Mark McCloskey and Patricia McCloskey. These are the people, this is the couple that has been seen now with the viral video that's all over the place of the couple armed on their front lawn or their front steps of their home. Really nice, big mansion-like home in St. Louis. Almost good for him. He's clearly done very well. This Mark McCloskey is a lawyer, and they were concerned about the trespass of these protesters that had busted into a gated community, private property, and they were trying to march to the mayor's house. Now, and there's a lot to deal with here. Again, I mentioned early on I wanted to talk about the gun safety aspect. Now, that's not the most pressing part of this, but it is important, because I would recommend that the McCloskeys take a remedial gun safety course. As a gun aficionado myself, there were just numerous things that I cringed at when I saw the McCloskeys handle their weapons. So this angry group, this mob of protesters,